The Galaxy S26 Ultra is officially confirmed, and at this point, almost everything about it is leaked. Today, I'm breaking down all the confirmed details, including the release date, pricing, and the biggest upgrades Samsung has planned this year. Let's be honest, a lot of us have been frustrated with Samsung lately. For the past few generations, the company has played it extremely safe, delivering minor upgrades while calling them next-gen. But this year feels different. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the biggest Ultra upgrades in years. No quiet downgrades, no recycled changes. Samsung is finally shaking things up with some genuinely exciting additions that people have been asking for. Design changes, familiar but smarter. Starting with the design, Samsung has made both aesthetic and practical improvements that immediately stand out. The S26 Ultra features more rounded corners, chamfered edges, and a thinner, lighter body, making it noticeably more comfortable to hold. Samsung has also dropped the individual camera rings from the S25 Ultra and replaced them with a raised camera island, giving the back a cleaner and more modern look. While the phone still clearly keeps the Ultra identity, it moves away from the extremely boxy design that peaked with the S24 Ultra, a look some loved, but many found uncomfortable for daily use. One more thing you'll notice right away: the camera lenses are bigger. So, what's actually behind that? Camera upgrades. Better, but underwhelming. I'll be straight with you. The camera upgrades are probably the most disappointing part of the S26 Ultra relative to expectations. Samsung is focusing mainly on larger apertures for the main camera and the 5x telephoto lens. However, the 3x telephoto and ultra-wide cameras remain unchanged, using the same sensors and lenses as the S25 Ultra. Yes, software processing and AI improvements will still lead to better photos and videos overall. But on the hardware side, this feels underwhelming. It's fair to say it out loud. We expected more. The frustrating part is that Samsung clearly knows how to innovate. Just look at what they're doing with displays. Display, Samsung's still untouchable. Once again, Samsung completely dominates the display game. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will use the new M14 display panel with CoE technology, delivering better color accuracy, higher efficiency, and lower power consumption. But the real standout feature is the new privacy display, now officially confirmed through One UI 8.5. When enabled, the screen looks perfectly normal when viewed head-on, but becomes dark and unreadable from side angles, protecting your privacy in public spaces. You can toggle it on or off anytime. Honestly, this might be one of the most hyped features of the S26 Ultra, right up there with Galaxy AI. Chipset, Exynos is back, but not here. Let's finally settle a long-running debate. Is Samsung bringing back Exynos? Yes, but not for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Samsung is returning to its dual-chip strategy for the S26 and S26 Plus models, using both Exynos and Qualcomm depending on the region. The S26 Ultra, however, is confirmed to launch globally with Snapdragon, no exceptions. It will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, currently the most powerful mobile chipset in the world. Early benchmark results show it outperforming every competitor, including Apple's A19 Pro. The biggest upgrade, charging finally improves. Now let's talk about the biggest upgrade this year, charging speed. After years of sticking to 45W, Samsung is finally upgrading the S26 Ultra to 60W wired charging. A recent leak claims the phone can reach 75% in 30 minutes, compared to 72% on the S25 Ultra. Yes, that's only a 3% increase. But there's an important detail here. Battery capacity is confirmed to stay at 5,000 mAh, which means these numbers are likely based on conservative internal lab tests. In real-world usage, charging could be noticeably faster. And that's not all. Samsung is also finally adding Qi 2 wireless charging at 25W with magnets, essentially Samsung's official MagSafe equivalent, a feature Galaxy users have been waiting for years. Release date and pricing. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will be officially unveiled at a Samsung Unpacked event on February 25th, according to multiple reliable sources, including Evan Blass. The phone is expected to hit stores about 2 weeks later, in early March. As for pricing, leaks suggest price increases in most global markets, with one major exception. In the United States, prices are expected to remain the same, likely to stay competitive with Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 lineup. So the question is simple: is this upgrade finally enough to win you back?